Hi, good evening, Madhur. We will be starting in few minutes, okay? Once everyone do join in.
Okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Manya. Good evening, Madhur. Till which level you guys have completed?
Ma'am, my level 34 is completed.
Level 34.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know we have to revise it now? Since we need to try to approach the program in a different manner.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. I don't know because yesterday I was
No
not
problem. We will be
getting.
revising it. No, that's okay. If you have completed the level, that's a good thing. But from now, we're going to revise it, okay? So don't worry about it. Just give me some time so that everyone could join in. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kushansh, I'll be telling you about level 18. Please let me know your doubts, guys. Manya, have you used for loops in certain levels? Have you used the for loop?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I forgot to use that.
So how have you completed your level number 31 and 32?
Ma'am, I have written so many times.
You have written so many things, but those so many things need not to be wrought.
Okay, ma'am.
You need to use your level, you need to use for loop, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So we will be approaching our problems, the previous problems that we had done using for loops. Okay, just stop till level number 32. Okay, and we are just revising our previous paths. Madhur, you were having any doubt in any of the previous levels?
No, ma'am.
I'm talking to Madhur.
Okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Yash.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. So guys, just write about your problems in the chat box. Kushanshu is having issue with level 18. What about you, Madhur and Yash? Are you having problem in any of the levels? Which level, Yash? Level number 31. Okay. So let's forget about level number 31 right now. We are trying to cover our level from 1 to 30 with the use of for loop. Okay, first of all, what we had done, we had only used for loops in few of the programs, no? We have not used for loop in, in all the programs. So we need to use the for loops up. Just sharing my screen now. So yesterday we had done which level? Level number 14, na? So now we have to do level number 15. Okay, leave that for now. I'm talking about, so we are doing our level number till 30. First of all, we are just trying to complete using different approach. In the first go, we had used different approach. Now we will be using different approach. In first go, what I had done was I had used go forward, go turn left, then go forward one step. Then which way? Then which way it has to turn? It has to turn which way? Tell me, tell me, tell me. It has to turn left. So it will be, I just use these things again and again till here. So now what I'll be doing, I'll be using for I in range. Because many of you have not used for loop. How many times this is happening? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, and 6 times. So I'll be writing 6 over here. So the ones who do not know about for loop, just carefully look over here. So now Dev is taking one step ahead. Then Dev is turning towards left. Then it's taking one step ahead again. And then it's turning towards right. Yeah, Ikra, because we need to approach till level number 30 using different approaches. Okay, since we had used a very different approach till level number 30, so we need to use for loop as well. We need to try to approach the problem in a different manner. See, wrong, wrong, wrong. Since I have used left over here, so this should be right. So go forward, turn right, turn left. And we are done. We got 3 stars over here. Now, very beautifully, we need to see how can we approach it using for loop. Since we have how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items we are having. And we are having same kind of things everywhere. We have this, we have this, we have this, same follows with this. So this is the way we need to approach it. Either I can follow an way, I can just take some steps forward, then backward, then I can just move in this direction, then I can take these steps this way and then this way. This is one way we can do. So we will try using this also. Then we will be trying using this another one. Yeah, exactly. 4 steps, 8 steps. So Dev dot step, 4 step, then Dev dot step minus 8 step, not 8, it's minus 8 since it's going in opposite direction. Then Dev dot step, 4 step. Then Dev should either turn right or left. Then I'll be following this approach only. Run. So I've got 2 stars. I can just perform the section for one time also using this. For I in range, 2 times this is happening. Then this should happen one time. So I can use for loop for one time also. For I in range 1. And I can remove it. See what will happen now. And we are done over here. Okay, there is one more way we can approach this problem. We can go this way. We can come back one step, go this way, this way, this way. Then come to this, 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 this. So what will happen basically in this? Forward 4 steps, backward 1 step, then turn towards which way? Left direction, but you need to follow certain more steps. So just try to solve it using this. Try to go this way. So try to solve it using this path. This is level number 16. So I am giving you time for a few minutes. Try to solve it using this path. This, backward, this, backward, this, backward, this. Let's try to solve this. Giving you 5 minutes for this. Go for it. We are just trying to revise our previous levels using for loop. We are not going to proceed with level 33 right now. So kids, yeah, tell me Danish.
Ma'am, when will be the level 1131 opened?
When it will open, when you will just complete the revision using for loop. You have to try it using for loop, every program.
Yes, ma'am, I got all the programs 3 stars.
That's amazing, but try to use for loop, for loop. See, since we need to revise the stuff in order to practice them up. See, we need speed in any hackathon. You're preparing for an hackathon, no? Preparing for a hackathon. So in any hackathon, we always need a speed. Okay.
Yes.
Better to have 3 stars, but those 3 stars should come immediately. How that approach will be done, how it should be followed. So that's why we are revising things up again and again. Okay, don't worry, it will get opened either by tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Yes.
So let's proceed to another level now. Hopefully you have followed the path, everyone. If not, please do it at home. Okay, so we need to follow with for loop approach over here as well. So what we need to do is, we need to move forward. We need to come here. We need to go backward. We need to come here. We need to go forward, this way, this way, this way. So that's what we can do, or either we can do this, 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 and this. So let's go for it. First of all, we will be disintegrating it as always. Then we will be using for loop. So they will be moving 3 steps ahead. Then Dave is turning towards left. And Dave is taking 1 step. Then Dave is taking how many steps? 1, 2, 3. Minus 3 steps. Then Dave should take 1 step again. And Dave should turn towards which direction? Left direction. Left direction or right direction? According to me, it should be right. You guys tell me which direction. Right is all right. Okay, first of all, we are going with right, then we'll go with left, Kushansh. So now these things are happening how many number of times? 1 time this time, 2 time, and 3 time. So this should be inside a for loop having range 3. So what we are doing, for I in range 3. So let's run the program. And we are done. Okay, this is the way we are done with it. So we can also follow the approach. We can make it move towards this side, then come back, but it has to again cover 2 steps ahead. So it is repeating the steps. We want to minimize the repetition of the steps. Okay, guys, the repetition of the steps should be minimized. So that will lead to the 2 stars. Sorry, 3 stars. Okay, Danish is getting bored. Okay, not. Or you're getting bored. Acha. Okay, so no problem. It's better if you guys, all of you turn on your cameras. Program become more interested once I will see your faces, no? I'll try to relate more. Hai na, Manya? Okay. So now this is happening. It's moving forward 4 step. It's turning towards which way? Leftward, moving 4 step. Leftward, moving 4 step. Not sorry, it's 3 steps, not 4 steps. So we are covering certain loop. So what we are doing? We are doing for I in range 3. Okay. Dev dot step and 3. The ones who did not use for loop, please look carefully. Okay, so see what will happen now. Till where will it reach? It will reach till here only. So it need to follow how many steps? It need to follow 3 steps more. Okay. So turning towards, it will move 3 steps. It will turn towards left, and then I'll make it turn towards left again and left again. See what will happen then. Next. See now what will happen. You do not know what to do now. So I can also go for this thing. Key inside for loop only, you have to go for with these steps. Okay. Then what should happen next? There should be something that should happen in a next manner. Now this is happening 4 number of times. Now what should happen next? It should go for 2 steps ahead. Then it should turn towards left. Then 2 steps ahead. Then it should turn towards right. Then 2 steps ahead, left. So what is it doing? Left, right, left. It is doing left, right, left. Hai na? So basically this is happening how many number of times? See, it will be moving forward. We are done till here. Okay. Moving forward 2 steps left, 2 steps right, 2 steps left. So we will reach here. So we are actually trying to go for 4 more for I in range 4. So it will be moving 2 steps. Sorry. Then it should turn towards which way? Turn towards left. Then 2 steps. and turn towards right. So I'm running the program now. Okay, but there is something that is missing. That's why I have got 1 star. Can anyone tell what is that thing? Anyone? Not variables are not introduced till there. Something else. Yes, Manya, you can type it out in the chat itself. For loop inside for loop. Let's think about it. If you're doing it 4 times, you could not proceed it. Can you just give me the program? Can you just give me the code for that? Actually, try that code up that you're talking about, Danish. Okay, try it out at home. Yeah, you can send the syntax. Okay. Kushansh, are you getting the things with the help of for loops? Please let me know. Okay. Just try to approach that program. I'm waiting for 5 more minutes so that you can finish that particular level with the help of for loop. 18th level it was. Just try to finish it. Everyone I'm talking about. This way, this way. Ajay, try that part at home only. Okay. So I have shown you two approaches in which way we can just go through that particular program, but still we are getting 1 star. So just try to find out what else could be done. Yeah, you have to use less steps. You're absolutely right. But how can you proceed with the less number of steps? That's my point is. So let's move on to another program. Now, what is this program about? It is doing what? It is taking 2 steps, then it is turning towards right, then it is turning towards left, then taking 2 steps, then turning towards right. And it is following this for every part. So how many times we are going to repeat the loop? Forward, rightward, forward, rightward, forward, rightward, forward, rightward, forward. Which way? Leftward, rightward? Who is this? So this is by whom? Duty, ma'am. Okay, that's amazing. Duty has tried. Key for level number 18 it is. For I in range 4, she had made it turn towards left side. Then what she had done was she had made it move 2 steps back. Oh, that's amazing. Very good. That's what I want is. That's the most amazing answer I have got. I wanted this answer only from you all. So I will be sharing the solution of Duty from you all. From Duty to you all. Just give me a moment. That's what only I wanted. This is the way you can just solve your doubts. You can solve your problems. That's why I had not approached that negative step in it. So what she had done was she had gone. Then in this manner, she had moved with steps minus 2 steps back. Then what she had done? She had turned right. Then she had taken these 2 steps. Then minus 2 steps. This is the way she had done. That's called the smart work. And that's what we want. And we are done with 3 stars. So all the game was of negative steps that you weren't doing. Okay. Now what I want next is I want it to follow this particular number of steps. See, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move it forward 2 steps. Then I'm going to go for rightward, then move 2 steps. So 2 steps, rightward, 2 steps. So now again rightward, then 2 steps, then 2 steps here. So in this direction, now it should move which way? It should move how many steps? It should either go for leftward or rightward. Tell me, anyone have any answer? This is right or left? Type in the chat. Yes, left. So we are going for left now. Then we are going 2 steps forward, then rightward, then rightward, then 2 steps forward, then leftward. Okay, so these things are repeating over here. So we have covered till here. So these are the number of steps to be followed. So these are happening how many number of times? These are happening 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and 4 time. Okay. So this for loop we are going to use 4 number of times, inside which we are going to use one more for loop that is occurring 2 number of times. For I in range, and again for I in range 2, this should happen how many times? Dave gonna take 2 steps. Dave is going to turn towards right. And then what is happening? Then it's going to turn towards left, and that is inside this one. 2 steps, right, 2 steps, right, 2 steps, and left. So we are going to take, Dave is going to take 2 steps and then left. So let's go for it. If I am right, so I am right, otherwise I might be wrong. It could happen, I could be wrong. Let's check. Again, we have reached our task, 3 stars. So that's what we are doing, no? We wanted to use for loop. So we had used 2 times for loop, no? For loop inside for loop. So that's how we had gone through it. So this is the way to solve our task. Just check it out, what is happening in a repeated manner. Okay. Now you have time to solve that part. Just go for it, 2 minutes. You want to understand again? Okay. It was level number 19. So what we had done, since it is taking 2 steps and right direction 2 number of times, then it is taking 2 step and then left direction. And this whole process is occurring 4 number of times. So for the whole process to reach till here, I'm going to use for loop, which is going to repeat 4 number of times. Okay. But inside it, there are 2 steps that are going to happen 2 number of times. And that is Dave dot step 2. Then Dave dot, which way turn right. This is going to happen. See, one time when first loop will be called, first time this loop will be called, this will happen 2 times. Okay. Then after occurring 2 times, what will happen? Dave is going to take 2 steps. And then what will happen? Dave is going to turn towards left. One time done, Dave reached here. Now Dave need to turn right again. So it will turn towards right. Then it will take 2 steps. Then again, it will turn towards right, take 2 steps. Then what will it do? It will take 2 steps and then turn towards left. So just run the program and check what will happen. See, just follow the steps. Now we have to go for this one. Just complete the previous one first of all. Just try to go for how can we solve our program by using least number of lines. We are on this level. Just try to complete that level, everyone, giving 2 minutes to everyone. That's a small one. I have explained this level yesterday, but I want you all to just go with it with a different approach. So for inside for will be used here as well. So in this, what is happening? Dev is moving forward 4 steps, then Dev is turning towards left, moving forward 3 steps, turning towards right, 3 steps, turning towards right, 3 steps, turning towards right, then again turning towards left, and then taking 4 steps. So this taking of 4 step and turning towards left is occurring how many number of times? So this is happening 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. I guess that will happen, right? 7 steps need to be taken, but I am trying to go for a different approach since we are trying for the different approach right now. So this will happen 4 number of times. And what was that? This was taking 4 steps. And turning towards left. And there will be for loop again. In that for loop will be occurring for how many number of times? This will happen for 4 number of times again. And that is taking 3 steps, turning towards right. Taking 3 steps, turning towards right. Taking 3 steps, turning towards right. Is it so? This way. And turning towards right. So this is happening 4 number of times again. Let's check. So this time it's taking 3 steps. So let's see how will it work. But wrong. Why so? Reason? Can anyone tell me? Where did we lack? See. One time this loop has been called. Then this. Then this. Then turning right. And turning right again it has called. So basically what I have to do is I have to just make it turn 3 times. Run for it. Take 4 steps, turn towards that. Okay, I'm doing something wrong in this. One time this is happening, turning towards which direction? Turning towards right. This is happening, turning towards right. Then this is happening, turning towards right. Turning towards right is happening how many number of times? It's happening 3 number of times. So basically what we have to do, we have to take 3 steps only over here. So there is something I am doing wrong. Yeah, Manya, you can tell. Just tell me. Go for it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you clear this till Dave step 4 till Dave turn right?
It should turn right after taking 4 steps.
No, ma'am, can you clear it?
Okay, I'm clearing it. Then
Ma'am, for loop.
for loop.
Four.
Hmm?
Ma'am, type it here. 4.
Okay. Then
Dave step
Dave dot step. So I guess Dave should take 4 steps, na?
No, ma'am, 7.
Dave should take 7 steps.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, let me ask Dave to take 7 steps. Okay, Mania, done with it. Then Dave should turn towards left. Acha, Mania, type it in the chat box. Danish, relax, let her tell this. So let everyone practice, no? Don't worry. Okay, I'll be asking different solutions to, like, I will be asking different solutions from everyone of this particular program, since I have told about this particular stage 2 to 3 times or 3 to 4 times. Yes, many of the kids have asked about it and many number of times. So I want you guys to approach this problem at home and just tell me individually about the solution. Mania, just type it out. Just practice it up. Okay. So once you're done with your code, just let me let you, what am I saying? Just tell me in the next class. Seanmoy, so why you are not telling me that you are not getting it? So till the previous level, did you get it, Seanmoy? Okay, Seanmoy. So I have told you it in the last class, I guess, about the same program. Don't worry if you don't know, just try it out. If you will not get it, I will let you know about the same. See, Seanmoy, I'm just giving you one thing. I'm just giving you one general knowledge. I'm just not talking about program right now. Program is up to you. I will tell the solution in the next class, definitely. See, you need to go forward. Either if you will be going this way, you need to go this in this manner. Then you need to go in this manner. Then you need to go in this manner. Okay. Then you need to go in which manner? You need to go in this manner, this manner, this manner, this manner, this manner. Then this, 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 this. Then this, this. So what is happening in this? If you're going in this path, so Dave is taking how many number of steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then Dave is turning in which direction? Left direction. It's taking 3 number of steps. Then Dave is taking which direction? Again left direction. Then it is covering 3 steps, and again left direction. It is covering 3 steps. 3 steps. Now we are making it cover more number of steps. And those steps are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, those will be 7 number of steps till here. Then we are making it turn towards this way. Again in the same manner. We are just turning it towards leftward. 3 steps, leftward, 3 steps, leftward, 3 step, leftward, 3 steps. Then again 7 steps. Just cover it this manner. So you just have to follow the loop again and again. So just don't try it with loop. Have you tried without loop? Just let me know. Shanmay, first of all, try it without loop. See, I'm talking about, not about Danish, I'm talking about Shanmay. I know Danish, you had already completed it. Just try to do it without loop. I'll be definitely telling you about it with loop. Okay. So rest of the things you will be doing tomorrow. And Shanmay, still if you will not get it, I'll explain this particular level in the very first part of the class. Okay. Yes, Danish, tell me.
Ma'am, it's telling error line 2. Turn right cannot have arcs.
Turn right cannot have
Arcs.
argument. Have you written something inside turn right inside the bracket?
No, ma'am.
Check it out.
ARGS.
You might have written something inside turn right.
Ma'am, I'll send the syntax. Ma'am, I have sent it once. Check.
Yeah, I have seen it. I'm seeing it. You have sent me. Acha, why have you written Dev dot turn right 3? Last line.
Ma'am, it's saying
Ari, just check your last line of the code. You had written turn right inside the bracket. You had written 3.
yes, ma'am.
Remove that. Why you're writing 3 inside turn right?
No, I didn't write it in this.
It might be by mistake, no?
It is telling line 2.
Ari Baba, there is the mistake over there. You have written turn right 3. Dev dot turn right 3. Just check that. The syntax you have sent to me.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have written Dev dot turn right 3. You need not to write that 3 over there.
Ma'am, the syntax I typed it wrong there in your chat. But I wrote it correct in this, ma'am. It is telling error line 2, not
How will I
line.
get to know without seeing it?
I sent the image up, ma'am. Yes.
Baba, I need to see your code. You had seen the image, send the image of oops, error line 2, turn right cannot have args. I need to see your code now.
Yes, ma'am, that only I sent it now.
You have not sent it. The thing you have sent was the previous one in which you had written 3. Just remove that 3. Acha, just try to check it out on your own first. Try to figure out the error.
Ma'am, it is telling the same again. I removed the 3 also.
Refresh the window and then do it. This will
Ma'am,
happen.
can you see it in yours? Is it correct or not?
Okay.
Ma'am, it's coming in yours, but not in mine.
See, it will give error.
Ma'am,
Since you have taken 4 number of steps, but you have to take 3 number of steps. So just try to figure that out. Okay. Abhi, let's meet in the next class. Then we will discuss about it with the fresh mind. Okay.
Yes.
Chalo. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.